Welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to loop a video or YouTube video on your mobile phone. So as you can see here on a YouTube app, if you want to play the video all over again, you need to turn on the loop option. So for example, like this video, now you need to tap on the screen, and as you can see the gear icon at the top, which is the settings, so you just tap on it. Then you can see the loop video option. You just turn it on, just tap on that. So as you can see, it is now turned on. So I will give an example. When the video is on the near end, it will probably repeat all over again. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you for the next video.